little snack called pomelo mangoes.
I'm
we try it again?
Back. Oh, it's so tasty. I love it.
Okay, I'm gonna introduce it again.
Okay.
This is the pomelo mango sago flavor dessert. We're gonna try it. My mom already tried it.
Smells good.
I like it.
That's good.
We were gonna go with the mango one, but we went with this one because I wanted it.
Tremolo. Sago flour. Flavor.
Oh, this is really good. How many of this can you have at once?
I don't know.
Dito lang pa nito.
Then we should have gotten one more.
Pack खोल्दै खानु हुन्थ्यो. काम छ राति कति.
We just moved, so we have a lot of things to do.
Pretty good. Okay.
Nice.